Today, I will be reviewing successful solution method. There's going to be a review. I'm going to take you inside the back office, and I'm going to show you some proof that it works. Let's do this. Hi, my name is Charles Diggs. I'm an online marketer, and welcome to my channel where we'll discuss business opportunities, tips and tricks, the psychology of the online business industry. And so right now, we're going to be talking about successful solution method. And so before we start, why don't you like my video and subscribe to this channel? Now, on to the review. We're going to first start off by looking at the sales page of Successful Solution Method. Let's go. Let's look at the sales page of Successful Solution Method. Here's the sales page right here, where it says, discover the untapped strategy that pays me up to $3,000 per month with as little as 60 minutes per day, even if you're brand new or have a limited budget. So let's look at what Successful Solution Method has to offer.
60, 80, 100.
$300.
$300.
Lots and lots of commissions.
3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, $740.
Absolutely incredible, because I know a lot of people, that is their major problem, is being able to recruit.
You got it going on.
Okay, so let's look at what they have to offer here. It says here is get paid 3 to 5 times weekly, beginner friendly, no experience needed, start within minutes, step-by-step videos, proven results, 100% flexible schedule, simple 3-step system. Okay, let's go down here. All right, and we look at some more. Get results, working just 60 minutes per day. And that is true. This particular system, this particular platform, only thing you need to do is actually work about 60 minutes per day, okay? And so in any online business, you want to try to put as much work as possible if you want to be successful in this online business, okay? And it says build legitimate and scalable income streams, okay? This platform also has the ability to give you multiple income streams, okay? So let's look on down, let's go on down. Stroll on down here. There's some proof, some more proofs, okay? Let's stop here and let's read some of the information here. The biggest challenge people face in generating an income online is getting results without wasting time. Okay, it says here, everyone knows that the first dollar you generate online is the most challenging. Okay, why? It's simple. The average person quits before they are able to produce results. And that is true. That is so true that the average person working online, you know, we tend to quit. We tend to stop doing and advancing in our business. Why? Because we don't see the results. Let's face it. In the online business opportunities, being an online marketer, when you're being an affiliate, it's kind of a challenge to go and actually promote a particular business and product, and without seeing any type of results. Well, you can stop here because this particular platform, it helps you get those quick wins. And that's what we need as newbies, okay? Because if you get those quick wins, and when I mean about having quick wins is that you're seeing the results for yourself, okay? You're seeing the results that you're seeing the results in your business. People are buying your product. And what is the product? It's training, okay? And so you can go and you can feel confident that this particular platform is going to help you be successful. Not only that, you'll get the skill set that you need to be successful in any type of online opportunity that you go in. So let's go on down. Okay, so introducing the successful solution method, no experience needed, and that's true. Make a profit quickly, that is also true. Okay, take less than 60 minutes per day, simple step-by-step instructions, generate multiple streams of income, work from your desktop, laptop, or even your phone, which I have done all three. On the sales page, it tells you to set up your account. And you also got to schedule a time. And when you want to, it talks about on step 2, schedule a time. This system takes less than 60 minutes per day to complete. Even if you miss a day or two, you can easily reschedule your tasks on demand without missing any income opportunities. So now here where it's talking about the daily tasks that you do every day, income producing activities that you do every day. That takes about 60 minutes per day, which is easy to do. It says complete the task. Complete task is as easy as getting started and can be done from any mobile device, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So let's stroll on down, see what else it says. And here are some of the testimonies. Some of the testimonies of people who have started on SSM and had results and were successful. There you go. Here are the particular packages that SSM offers. First, there's the bronze level at 125. Then it's the silver at 325. Then there's the gold at 500. Then there's the platinum level at 1,000. And here is the diamond level at 2,000. And also they have the fine print right here. That is the sales page of Successful Solution Method. So now I'm going to take you into the back office of Successful Solution Method. Okay, here is the back office to my account. All right, and here is the back office of Successful Solution Method. And here is the welcome, kind of like the welcome video. I'll let you hear this.
Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and what I want to do is make sure that you're off to a fast start with Successful Solution Method. It is very important that you watch the entire video, because what I'm going to do is take you through the different tabs that we have so you know exactly what to do and there's no confusion on what you need to do to get started. Not only that, by watching this video, it's going to make sure that you are set up for success so that you can start getting paid. You know how to get your traffic. You know different tasks that are.
Okay, so now basically, this is just an introduction into the particular program. So I'm going to kind of stroll down. Now, these are the particular packages, okay? And I am going to go here. I'm going to start here. This is the fast start where everybody actually starts when they join the particular platform, okay? And right here, this is where you all begin when you get started as a new member of SSM, okay? First step, you'll go and actually join our Facebook group, okay? And then you also register as an affiliate. Then the next step, you'll actually go and try to you'll actually go into how to increase your commissions. And this next step right here is about claiming traffic packages. Okay, so inside Successful Solution Method, one of our daily income activities that we do, we have to purchase traffic twice a month. Okay. The next step is that you actually meet your success coach. And so you have to schedule a meeting with your success coach on the phone. And lastly, then you begin to join our chat group. That's another very important step to actually do. Okay, we'll go back to the members area. Okay, let's go back. Now within the members area, there's are the packages, okay? So let me explain something to you about these particular packages. Let's just say you decide to join on the gold package, okay? When you get the gold package, you also get the gold, the silver, and the bronze package. There's a lot of training that is involved in all these particular packages. So let me just go into one of these, which is the bronze. That's the lowest package. Okay. Inside the package, here is the training that you have access to. Okay. And go to silver. All right. Now within the silver, you also have training. Let's click on that. Okay, and there's the videos, okay, that you have access to. Let's go back. All right, so that's basically the back offices, okay? Just give you a little sneak peek of the back office. Now I am going to take you to some proof. I want to take you to my back office, okay? To show you some proof of my income since I've been on the platform. Now I'm going to take you to my back office and show you some proof that Successful Solution Method works. Okay, I'm going to my account. Okay. All right, so Since the couple of months I've been involved in SSM, this is how much I have made since joining Successful Solution Method. Right here, that's $1,200. Okay. Also, let me show you some more. Let me go into my payment history here. And so here is my payment history of my commissions since I've been involved in SSM. Okay, so you can see this for yourself that I've been paid commissions. Okay, you see 150, 150, 150, 150, 50, 150, 150, 250. So you see proof that I've been making money on Successful Solution Method. One thing I want to say too, if you see a person that shows you a review of a particular product, okay, make sure that it's kind of in depth, kind of what I just showed you. I showed you some proof. I also showed you that I did purchase the program itself. You may see people online that do reviews, okay, on certain programs, but they have not actually joined, okay? They have not actually go ahead and invested into the program itself. So you see those type of reviews where that people review a program but don't purchase anything, right? That says something, right? Let's say they have not went through the program. They don't know what the program offers, okay? So even if they did have some sort of type of experience just by reading the sales page, you have to actually get your hands dirty. And what I mean by getting your hands dirty, you have to actually invest. All right, I showed you the proof. Successful Solution Method works. Okay, it is a very wonderful program to join. Okay, I wouldn't say I took the risk. Okay, I knew that this was a good opportunity. Successful Solution Method works. Okay, so if you want more information about Successful Solution Method, just go down and enter. Just go down, and there is a link to the program. Successful Solution. It's definitely not a scam. People are getting paid. I've gotten paid. So, and you can get paid too. This is newbie friendly. Come join us, okay? I thank you for coming to my program today. God bless you. Have a good one. And I'm out.